What if I told you that the time you upload your videos on YouTube is the reason why you are not getting a lot of views, subscribers, and even watch hours? Yes, the time you upload videos on YouTube matters a lot. So if you're a small channel, you upload videos, you are consistent, your videos are good quality, yet you're not getting views, then the problem is posting time. In this video, I'm going to show you the perfect posting time for your own niche. So you know exactly when to post to get all the attentions and drive YouTube algorithm to start promoting your videos. Not only that, if you wait to the end of this video, I'm going to gift you time zone. So this will help you understand difference in time zone so you know exactly when to post. If you want to target the US and Nigerian audience, this gift I'm about to give you will show you the perfect time to upload video. You want to target people in Canada, you want to target people in the US or even South Africa, you will understand the exact time to post to target these 2 or 3 countries. This gift is exclusively for you and it's going to help you a lot when it comes to understanding the right time to upload your videos on YouTube. That said, are you aware that Mr. Beast posts his videos on a specific day and time? After studying big creators and their posting pattern, I got to understand that the time you upload your videos on YouTube determines how many views the videos get. Because when you upload your videos at the right time, your audience is online. They will watch the video immediately. And because they watch the video and engage immediately in the first 2 hours of uploading that video, YouTube algorithm will see that this video is valuable. CTR is high. So algorithm will pick the video and start promoting it. Now, if you do it at the wrong time, your audience is not online. By the time they come back online, other channels they are subscribed to must have uploaded new video. These videos will push your own down, will bury your video, so they won't see your video. Your video starts performing poorly and YouTube will bury that video. That's why understanding the right time to upload video for your own niche, for your own channel is important. So, a lot of small creators don't know that posting time is different for different channels and niches. And this is based on your audience, based on the topic you talk about, your niche, and even the analytics. These are the 3 things that determine the right time to post your video to get more views on YouTube. Here's best time to upload videos for small channels. This is based on data from my own experience and those of other big creators. If you create educational content, purely educational content, you should upload your videos during the week, especially in the morning, because this is the best time people go online on YouTube looking for solutions to their problems. Okay. But if your content is not purely educational, here are best days to post: on Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. These 3 days have consistently shown to give higher impression to small channels. Within these 3 days, people have more time, more free time to spend time on YouTube. The CTR is high and competition from those creators that do purely educational content is usually low. You know, during the week they upload, then on weekend there is not much competition coming from their side, which is a perfect time for you to take advantage of the traffic. And then browsing increases during the weekend. Coming to the best time to upload your video on the days you are meant to upload it, there are 2 ways to find out. If your channel is monetized or you already have a good number of videos on YouTube, you're going to see this information showing you exactly when to upload your videos, which is also called tick time. Now, if you're a small channel, you've not uploaded a lot of videos, you don't have access to this information. So let me show you the best time to upload your videos. And that is 2 times in a day. First one is early in the morning between 6 a.m. to 8 a.m. your audience local time. So if, for example, you live in Nigeria, but your audience is based in US, you should upload video 6 to 8 a.m. their time, not your own time. If you live in South Africa and your audience is in Canada, you should aim to upload your video 6 to 8 a.m. their time. In a moment, I'm going to show you the time zone so you understand the difference in time zone. You get to understand when is 8 a.m. your own time, what time is it in Canada, what time is it in the US, what time is it in the UK. So you'll be able to match those times and upload your video at the right time to get a lot of views. Another best time to upload is in the evening between 6 p.m. to 9 p.m. your audience local time. So as a small channel, if you post consistently, these 2 times I gave you, for 14 days, you'll be able to understand what works and what doesn't work. And if you do this consistently, in the next 14 days, YouTube will show you this information. Now, for those of us that have access to this particular data, here is what it means. If you're going to upload a video on your channel, you should upload it just when a lot of your audience is online. When you do so, a lot of people will see your videos immediately it's uploaded. And YouTube uses information collected from a video the first 2 hours after the video is uploaded to judge the video. So this here is a data from one of my channels. Your own might not be exactly like this because different things work for different channels and different niches. Let me show you how to find this information from your YouTube studio. Head over to your studio, click on analytics here, and then click on audience. Scroll down to this place where you see when your audience is online. As you can see here, these places where the purple is very light, these are hours that your audience is not online. You should not post at this time. As it gets dark, it means few of your audience are coming online. And then when it gets darkest, the darkest part of the purple here is actually when a lot of your audience, most of your audience is online, as you can see here. So this is the perfect time to post your video to get attention. So when you upload videos this peak time, you get a lot of eyeballs on your video. Here's the quick tip. Don't upload your video at the exact time is peak time. No, you upload the video 30 minutes to 1 hour before the peak time. This way, you give YouTube algorithm enough time to process the video, optimize the video, and they rank it just before the perfect time the video is ready. So once the audience comes online, YouTube is already recommending this video to them. Don't upload your videos many hours before the peak time or just at the peak time. No, you upload it 30 minutes before the time to allow YouTube algorithm to play its part. When you do this the right way, you will get a lot of views. Now, the next thing you want to do also is to look into your title and thumbnail. I've discovered that title and thumbnail are actually the biggest secret when it comes to getting views on YouTube. So what I do is after I uploaded a video, after some hours and the video is not performing well, I usually go back to change the thumbnail and even the title. And 99% of the time, the video picks up and gets more views than it used to. And here comes the bonus I promise you, the different time zones. This is it. So when it's 8 a.m. in Nigeria, it's 7 a.m. in the UK and 2 a.m. in the US. When it's 5 p.m. in Nigeria, it's 4 p.m. in the UK and 11 a.m. in the US. And so the list continues. This goes to say that Nigeria is 1 hour ahead of the UK and about 6 hours ahead of the US. So if as a creator, you want to target people in Nigeria and in the US, the perfect time to upload your video would be between 4 p.m. to 8 p.m. in Nigerian time. So you'll be able to target Nigerians and those in the UK. This way, you'll be able to combine this traffic. This is very important because sometimes audience overlap. You don't just get all your audience from one country. So understanding this time zone and using it nicely will help you get more views. I hope this helps. Let me know in the comment section, what time do you usually upload your videos before now? And moving forward, what time are you going to adopt now that you know better? If you got value from this, please give it a thumbs up. See you in my next.